Covington Press does it again with the new, fun, fantastic, and fabulous Faith in Culture program, Whoosh. Take flight to where God leads you. Perfect for Vacation Bible School, Whoosh. Take Flight to Where God Leads You is a program for children, teens, and adults that uses African American culture, history, and contemporary events to teach biblical truths and spread the gospel of Jesus Christ. The starter kit includes a worship DVD, music CD, student books, age-level Bible leader books, a director's manual, leader books for arts and crafts, movement, skits, games, and all kinds of activities. And for this year, a comic book features 6 church kids who connect to biblical, Christian, and cultural values. The Whoosh lessons include Remembering a Dream, Crossing the River, a new song, For All People, and Living Monuments. Guided by the church kids on Holy Spirit-powered bicycles, participants will move across country. They begin with the National Museum of African American History and Culture in Washington, D.C., touching down at museums and monuments in Ohio, Missouri, Oklahoma, and California. With Whoosh, participants will take flight with faith in Jesus Christ, touch down in the Bible, experiencing God's awesome presence and love as they have fun, dream, play, build character, and praise the Lord.